Well, hey there, and welcome back to Express.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make all of the necessary adjustments for the KV Samet Undermount drawer slide with soft close. So the best way to adjust this is from underneath the drawer, so I have the drawer set in place. If you wanted to disconnect this drawer from the system, all you do is you squeeze these, it moves that, and you pull the drawer towards you. We're not going to worry with that right now. We're just going to do some adjustments. As you see, there is one adjustment here and one adjustment here. This adjustment will bring the drawer up and down. This adjustment here will bring the drawer both left and right. And you would repeat that on this side as well. You can do your left and right here and your up and down here. So basically you just work these simultaneously, get it to just how you want it. And there you have it, all set up and adjusted. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Until next time, we'll see you later.